Hi, welcome back again to the Inside Home YouTube channel. In this video, you'll see inside a historic home dating back to 1906, owned by a prolific late Victorian illustrator. This entryway charms with a vibrant mustard yellow door, framed by a classic brick archway and a 9-pane window that welcomes light and offers a peek inside. The brick facade enhances the home's warm, traditional charm, accented by potted plants and a hanging flower basket that add vibrant greenery. Weathered stone steps lead to the entrance, lending a rustic yet welcoming appeal. The entrance features a dark wood staircase, a black door with a rectangular glass window, and a chandelier above. Light pink or beige walls complement the wooden floor, adorned with a geometric patterned rug. Dark door frames and skirtings frame the hallway, with doors on both sides, creating a beautifully decorated space full of character and comfort. The view from the bottom of a wooden staircase features black-painted banisters and a black and off-white striped runner, leading to an upper hallway with dark walls, framed artwork, and minimalist decor. The lower hallway shares the same dark palette, creating a moody yet sophisticated atmosphere. Traditional touches in the staircase blend seamlessly with the modern design. This bright dining room, bathed in sunlight, the warm sunlight highlights natural wood tones, creating a calm, inviting atmosphere. It features soft blue walls, crown molding, and a rustic wooden table surrounded by pale pink chairs and benches. Built-in shelves flank a white fireplace mantel with a round mirror above, displaying books, decor, and plants. Through a doorway, a muted sage green room with bookshelves and seating adds to the bohemian, artistic charm. This light blue-painted room features pale periwinkle walls and trim, with a wooden dining table as the centerpiece. The dining area includes wooden chairs, one with a pinkish-red shade. Framed prints on the walls include an abstract path scene and a pink. Built-in shelving, matching the wall color and natural light brightens the space, highlighting the wooden plank flooring. This modern kitchen features yellow cabinetry, stainless steel countertops, and black accents. The island has yellow stools and a double sink. Built-in appliances blend seamlessly, while natural light illuminates the dining area with wooden benches and a potted plant, creating a vibrant, inviting atmosphere. This is a blue kettle sitting on a modern kitchen island's induction cooktop. The kitchen island itself serves as a central workspace and gathering point in a modern, brightly colored kitchen. The surrounding design features a yellow kitchen cabinet, suggesting a contemporary and stylish home interior. This living room features sage green walls, built-in shelves filled with books, and a green-tiled fireplace as the focal point. A vintage cabinet sits beneath the shelves, while a coral coffee table holds a book. Plants and art pieces add to the eclectic, sophisticated, and cozy atmosphere. This living room features a blue denim sofa with a sheepskin throw and patterned cushions, positioned in front of a wooden coffee table against a muted green wall. 6 small abstract art pieces decorate the wall, while a large potted plant adds greenery. A brass floor lamp and a dark green door complete the serene, contemporary style, creating a calm and inviting space centered around comfort and relaxation. This inviting living space features a doorway with a framed abstract painting and a black door. Inside, Green walls and wooden floors complement a bookshelf filled with books, a stylish lamp, and a floral arrangement on a wooden console. Natural light fills the room, highlighting a patterned rug that adds warmth and texture. This hallway blends vintage charm with bold modern accents, featuring vibrant greens, blues, and yellows. Natural wood flooring and a red Kilim rug add warmth, while black door frames and a staircase railing contrast with soft beige walls. A gallery wall of colorful art adds personality, and a potted monstera plant brings a lively touch. A classic chandelier adds understated sophistication. This bedroom combines light gray walls, wooden floors, and a mix of modern and traditional furniture. A white, spherical light fixture resembling a dandelion clock provides ambient lighting. The bed features white bedding and patterned throw pillows, with artwork adding color. A comfortable armchair sits in the corner, creating a calm, relaxing atmosphere ideal for rest. The room blends contemporary style with traditional touches like the armchair and wooden floors. This bedroom corner features light gray walls, white trim, and a fireplace as the centerpiece. An arched mirror above the fireplace reflects a crystal chandelier, with artwork on either side. An armchair sits against the wall with a pot of greenery, and the wooden floor adds warmth, creating a serene and stylish atmosphere. This sleek bathroom features a freestanding bathtub, polished chrome faucet, towel warmer, and subtle decor like a small potted plant. It seamlessly transitions into a cozy bedroom with light wood floors, a simple bed, and a geometric rug. Bright artwork complements the muted gray walls, while natural light highlights the textures. A white dandelion-inspired chandelier adds a playful yet sophisticated touch. A stylish bathroom with a freestanding tub, chrome faucet, and a glass-enclosed shower with dark mosaic tiles. A green shaker-style vanity, natural decor, and a potted plant add warmth. Large windows, a dandelion pendant light, and a white fireplace create a bright, timeless charm. This cozy music room features hanging acoustic guitars, a large double bass, and a vibrant drum set with a black and white checkered pattern. A bookshelf and a framed Ralph Ellison Invisible Man poster add artistic flair. The room also includes a classic fireplace and soft lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere for music and reading. This bedroom corner features a double bed with a pink and white striped bedspread, a metal bedside frame, and a table. The white walls and wooden floor create a serene atmosphere, while a floral patterned curtain adorns the window. A sloping ceiling with a metallic chandelier adds character, and a dressing table with a mirror completes the peaceful, calm vibe. The bathroom is relatively small and has a white bathtub, a white vanity, and a shower. The walls are beige, and the floor is also beige. There are some plants in the bathroom, as well as a mirror and shelves. There is also a dark wooden door. The image shows a small backyard surrounded by a fence. There is a wooden floor with a pink bench and 2 blue chairs in the middle. There are some shrubs and trees around it. There are several buildings in the background.